What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have something very special for you guys. Like, literally got this in the mail yesterday. So I was scrolling down on Facebook and Ofra Cosmetics popped up, and they had a little thing talking about mystery boxes, like throwback mystery boxes. So I don't know if you guys know this, but they recently rebranded all of their stuff into different packaging. So I think they're just trying to get rid of their old packaging, but it's still good stuff. Anyways, I ordered, before we get started, I did the TBT Jumbo Mystery Box, which goes for $59, but I had a $10 off coupon, so I ended up paying $49 for this. So with this, I had to pull up my order. I ordered it on, let's see, when was this? I know the shipping was like super quick, guys. I want to say I ordered it Sunday and it was here Thursday. So it came like so fast. But anyways, there's two different ones that you can get. So there was just I think it was like medium. Let me look, because I don't want to tell you guys wrong. So mystery box. But I'm super excited. I have not opened it at all. So we'll see. I'm going to be, as soon as you guys are watching this, we're finding out together. So, oh man, they're out of stock, but maybe they'll come back in stock. But there was a small mystery box and a jumbo mystery box. And the small one was 30 bucks. And it had, I think, like 7 products. And this one has 12, the jumbo has 12 or more mini and full-size makeup and skincare products. And its value is supposed to be $250. So they're not, this, like I said, this is all in their old packaging, old brand packaging, since they've recently rebranded. But I am super excited. I've only gotten a couple of things from Ofra, like their highlighters, which are amazing, and I actually have a liquid lipstick right here on my desk. So I only have experience with a few things, but what I have experienced, I do enjoy. So I figured, why not? So let's go ahead and open her up. So I am super excited. I springed for the jumbo because I had that coupon. So let's see. All right. Ooh, I got a lot of stuff. Okay. So I'm just going to sit it down here so that way I can like pull it out. But the first thing I see is banana powder, and it's a refill, so that way you can like pop it in to a like a Z palette that you have, or one of their own palettes. But it's just banana powder refill, which I love banana powders. I use them all the time. You guys know my Essence, is it Essence? Yeah, Essence. Essie is the nail polish. But Essence Brighten Up banana powder, love it. And then I've been using recently the Makeup Revolution banana powder that comes like in the little container, and I love that. So I'm really excited to try this. Banana powder is just like one of my favorite things, one of my favorite powders to use. So that's exciting. Let's put her back in so I don't break her. The next thing is this Ofra lip gloss in Baby Doll. Let's see if I open it up. Oh, it kind of smells like, did I get, no, I didn't get it on my nose. Oh, that was scary. Actually, so I had to zoom you guys in because I forgot to do that when I started this video. Sorry. So I'll reshare this. This is the Ofra refill banana powder. And then I got this lip gloss in Baby Doll, which looks like a really nice pink. lip gloss. Like a pink shiny lip gloss. So, like a pink purple. But this is it right here. So I'm really excited to try that because I've really been getting into lip gloss lately. So the next one, oh, I got another, or no. Oh, yay. I've been wanting, you guys know I always use just my foundation and powder on my eyelids. So I've kind of been wanting to try out some new eye primers. So I did get the Ofra Eye Gel Primer right here. So that'll be awesome. I got Derma Mineral Loose Powder in white diamonds. Ooh, y'all. Let me just show you on this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. See it bouncing around? It is super shimmery. Let me try to take the sticker off so I can swatch her for y'all. Because it looks like it is like beyond shimmery. Maybe I should have opened these up before, but I was too excited to open everything up beforehand. I wanted to open it up on camera because I was super excited about this. But hopefully, I hate that it's sold out. Maybe it'll open back up. Because I love like little mystery boxes, and I think it's a great way to experience a brand if you've never had before. Ooh, y'all. This is going to be pretty. Oh my God. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Oh my God, that is beautiful. Okay, so we have the loose powder in white diamond. Holy crap. That is gorgeous. Ooh. I got, oh, I've always wanted to try this, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the Ofra highlighter in Beverly Hills, which I know this is all like their old package, but I don't care about that because I'm going to just be the one using it. But this is their highlighter in Beverly Hills. So I've always wanted to try this, y'all. Oh my God. And you can use highlighters like this. You can use the individual shades, or you can kind of swirl it. So it's kind of, oh, there's nothing on that figure. It's kind of up to you and to how you want to use it. But oh my God. Y'all, so excited. I got, y'all, this was a great purchase. I'm so glad I saw that on Facebook. The blush in Bellini. And they really like packaged this up nicely. So I love little blushes like this and these colors because they're more neutral and I like that. I don't want to look like a clown, so I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, we've got a liquid lipstick in Charmed. Oh, it smells so good. And that is the shade right there in the shade Charmed. And then we've also got it in the shade Bel Air, which I honestly think I have. I think. I'm not sure. Either way, these are literally like my shades. Mauves, neutrals are exactly what I enjoy wearing, so these will definitely be worn. So this one is Bel Air, and this one is not mauve, totally wrong, Charmed. And then I also got a, oh y'all, they really must have took care in like packaging this, because they gave me a lip liner in Baby Doll, which seriously matches the two lipsticks that they sent me. So liner right here and the two liquid lipsticks. So that is so nice to get something that like goes together. Oh, I got, oh, yes. So I got a Body Derm Coffee Body Scrub. Oh my God. Oh, oh, I almost spilled it. Thank God. Oh, and I love coffee. I have to have coffee every day. Otherwise, I don't know how I'll survive. But, oh, it smells so good. So this is going to be perfect because I have just recently run out of my body scrub that I normally use. So I am so excited to try this out. And I honestly didn't know that they had, like, body products. I thought they were just in makeup. So that's really exciting. I got, a makeup spray. So this is the Ofra Makeup Fixer to help keep your makeup on in place all day long. So let me open her up. So this is it right here. See if it smells. Oh, that smells good. And the mist is a little like comes out to you, but it's not too bad. I could get used to it. But this is nice. Ooh. Yeah, and the last thing in the box is one of their palettes. So that's perfect because I can put my new banana powder in here. Oh, and it opens up like this. So you just slide it down. Oh, nice. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, perfect! Yay! And then you just pop her in. So you know, it's kind of like magnetic. Or it's kind of like it is magnetic. But anyways, that is awesome. This was amazing and totally worth. I spent $49 on it. Totally worth it. Because the lipsticks alone are normally like, I want to say 20 bucks at least, if not more. So if you had a chance to snag one of these mystery boxes, you're really going to enjoy it. Especially if you got one that I did. Because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 products. And it's all stuff that I'm super excited to use. And stuff that I didn't know that they had that now I'm like super pumped to use. So totally worth it. Hopefully they'll come back in stock. You know, I don't know. Or maybe they'll see how awesome this was and maybe do something similar to this again because it is worth it. And like I said, I totally didn't know that Ofra did like body stuff. So I am super excited to use this. So I am so pumped because I got a banana powder, I got like their version of a Z palette, eye primer, lip gloss, 2 liquid lipsticks, a lip pencil, a blush, highlighter, this awesome loose powder in white diamond, body scrub, and makeup spray. So totally worth $49. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you love mystery boxes, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.